Hello mommies and daddies, welcome to my channel Parenting Decoded by Minu. So now you all know that I am trying to cover everything which falls under dressing up skills by kids. Till the time we have covered buttoning, unbuttoning and how they can do their own zipping, or maybe they can wear their own jacket. So now in the further part of these series, I will cover how they can wear their own shoes, socks and how they can tie those laces, and afterwards we will cover about how they can brush their own teeth. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So today we will discuss about how they can tie their laces and how you can help them to wear their socks. So there are a couple of things which one should consider before teaching their kids about tying of laces. Always start with removing of the socks and shoes first before teaching them practicing about wearing of the shoes or tying of the laces. Begin practicing with the big socks which are stretchable so that they can easily pull them off and put them on while practicing about the shoes. Use something like this which has a colorful ankle. This will help you to give them verbal cues. And before teaching them about tying the laces, teach them how to take off the shoes, or you can use something like this Velcro shoes. They are easy to slip in. Initially when you are teaching them, make sure they are sitting on the floor, or maybe they are sitting on something which will help them to focus on the action rather than balancing on their body. Sit side by side. Don't face your kid. Sitting side by side will give you both the same perspective, and use the same dominant hand which your kid is using while tying the laces. Teach them about left side and right side of the body so that it will help you further when you are giving them verbal cues. You can ask your kid about pulling off the socks in 3 ways. I'll try to model in front of you. Suppose this is the feet of the kid. You can tell them to pull from the toe like this. Or maybe if they are not able to do so, you can tell them to put the thumb into the border of the socks and pull it in this way. There is a third method which you can tell them to roll down the border. Since his both hands will be free, so it will be easy for them to roll it like this. I remember I used to do this during my childhood. Now if you are trying to teach them how to wear the socks, you can tell them scrunch the socks up towards the tip and place it on your child's toe. And then ask them to pull upward. Ensure he or she using his both hands simultaneously. Tell your kid to pull the socks onto the toes and then up to the ankle, so that she or he can get the colored heel in the correct place. Colored heel like this. Only then continue to pull the socks above the ankle, as it is very difficult for children to readjust the heel once the socks is already above the ankle. Practice constantly with them. The more you will practice with them, the more they will be comfortable in learning the skills. If your kid find it difficult to differentiate between right and left footwear, you can take the help of these kind of stickers. You can paste it in a circle shape, or maybe any other sticker which is available. You can cut it in between and tell them if the heart is forming or if the circle is forming. In this way he will be able to differentiate between right and left foot. Don't avoid teaching them tying of laces, as it imparts the skills to perform a task. They will learn to know about the sequencing of the process. They will learn to sort out or classify the things. They will learn about listening to the instructions and following them. So this is not a mere lacing. This very one skill will teach them so many things which is going to benefit them in their near future. Teach them by using soft laces. Also, you can color one part of the lace so that process can become easier. Most kids learn about shoelacing between 5 to 7 years, so take it slow. You can teach them tying of the shoelaces by bunny ear method. Hold each end of the lace into single bunny ear. You can hold the ears in place between thumb and the pointer finger. Cross the bunny ear so that they can form X in the air. Loop the bottom bunny ear through the top bunny ear. This will create a second knot like this. Now pull the bunny ears onto the side away from the shoes. Cross the bunny ear over each other. Run the bunny ear over each other. Now when you are teaching him run the bunny ear over each other, you can teach him the concept how bunny runs around the tree like this. How bunny runs around the tree, right? And now when you are teaching him, see the bunny jump into the hole. The bunny see the dog and jump into the hole. Pass the tip of the bent ear through the hole. Pull the loops tight and it's done. This is little DIY which I have created for my kid to learn about the lacing skills. Now there is one poem, little poem, apart from this bunny ear method which I have told you, you can teach them different stories. Now it says, build a teepee, right? Come inside, close it tight, we can hide over the mountains and around we go. Here is my arrow and here is my bow. Yay! This way we can tie the shoes. Yes? These little rhymes help you to teach them about the lacing process, as it is very difficult for them to learn the method. Otherwise we are teaching them. So try these rhymes kind of thing so that they can easily learn it. Also with the help of this little DIY, they can practice any time without wearing the shoes or without your help. Have you ever noticed the brightness in their eyes when you say good boy or tap their back by saying good job done? They always want that reassurance when they put on that little sock or shoes. So appreciate their little efforts. Reassure that yes, you are there. And this little appreciation create wonders to make them independent and will make your life easy so that they will try new and new things in their life. If you like the content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, please do watch this space for many such useful videos. Parenting Decoded by Minu signing off. Bye bye. Take care.